Hi everybody, I'm back with another gardening video. So today I'm going to be planting my herbs to go into my herb garden in my backyard. So follow along on this journey. Alright, so right now I laid some cardboard down in my gardening bed that we built. And now we're gonna go ahead and plant some of this potting mix and this mushroom compost and put it in the gardening bed and mix it all together. Okay, so right now we're about to put this potting soil mix with this compost within the flower bed and mix it all around so you have a nice good base to plant our herb garden. So here we go. I'm gonna assist the best way I can get it.
You got forward and here I go.
Okay.
Think he out now.
I don't think so. I think you hit him against the thing. Why he like playing around in his closet? Okay. We'll be vigilant. Okay, now we're gonna add the mushroom compost.
They're doing that whole day.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, everything's added, so now we're just gonna mix everything around and see if we need to add just a little bit more. I have a little bit more of both the compost and the potting mix still left over. And by we, I mean he. I guess he didn't start it without me.
Come
You
on.
good? I've never been trying. I'm scared of that spider.
Okay.
Ooh, they got all type of veggies that's flying around. Yeah, it does feel a lot better than that. What you think? Should we add a little bit more?
Sure. How far you got? Yeah.
I think we can go get both of them today. So luckily I have the potting mix and compost left over from my other gardening blog videos. We're going to use that to help fill in some more of the gaps up in here.
Yeah. Ugh. That's the same stuff. It would look nasty.
Hmm?
Yeah, this is more like it. Looks like a pretty full bed.
Oh my god.
Yeah, full of the mosquito spray. Look at this. Yeah.
So my flower bed is filled with all of the potting mix and the compost that it needs. So next is to add the herbs that I got, some herb plants. So here we go. Okay, So these are some of the herbs that I decided to get. Okay, this first one is not necessarily an herb, but I got a green bell pepper plant since I cook with a lot of bell peppers all the time. Thank you. Kill the mosquito for me. Okay. Uh, Next I have a spearmint plant, so I can use to make some spearmint tea. I also got a nice rosemary plant that I can use to cook. I like to use rosemary with my potatoes. And I also got some German thyme and some English thyme as well. I kind of put that with my potatoes and also like different meats and chicken and stuff. So this is the start of my herb garden. As I go, I'm going to add some more. I got some chamomile seeds and also some lavender seeds that I'm going to try to grow indoors just for a little while before I transplant them into my raised bed that I have. So start off with, this is what I got, and we are about to go plant them. We can put the bell peppers
And it has to be
in the corner.
planted in something this deep. That's what it says on the thing. And I think we have.
We got just enough.
enough.
Yep. Okay, so we're gonna plant this bell pepper plant in the corner right here. It has to be how much? 2 feet? Well, no, 2 feet apart. But
Yeah, 18 to 24 inches apart, and it has to be container deep.
okay, so good, perfect. We got them all just enough container deep.
I don't know how to take this out.
Squeeze the bottom. Break it up some more. Nice. Perfect. Nice. All right, so on to the herb side of it. I guess we can leave this whole side kind of for the bell peppers for right now. I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes.
Me too.
My God. Okay.
You're gonna be itchy after this.
Mm-hmm.
If they don't want to. Got you.
I sprayed mosquito spray.
Oh, yeah, it don't matter. All right, what's next?
We can do these the thyme. Yeah. We're gonna put the thyme like right over here.
Part shade.
Okay, well this part is gonna get a lot of shade from the house.
All right, so container deep, 30 to 40 centimeters apart.
Doing that conversion.
Oh, well, 3 inches, really.
Okay.
Or almost 3 inches. Isn't it 10 centimeters?
I think so. What are these? Are they even? It's a English time and German time. Where's the thing for the bell pepper?
In the bell pepper container.
Okay, put it by it.
So they both say the same thing.
Okay.
But this one says 12. And
Yeah. We're just gonna do like a trial
what's that?
error.
Oh wait, I remember the English time. The German time had more. This is the German.
That's the German.
Yeah, had more of a robust smell. Oh, I don't know.
This one been on that thing first, and I guess you just took that one off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh well. It's all time. That's fine.
It's all about
Ooh.
yeah. I don't know how you took this out, but yeah.
Just squeeze the So an easy way
I
to
feel like I'm gonna
I'm
mess it up.
taking it. An easier way that I'm taking it out is just by kind of squeezing the bottom of it, kind of lift it, out the container, because you don't want to really pull it and mess up the root.
Mm-hmm. What?
Another mosquito. They're trying to get me through the
Yeah, that's why I killed the one on you
The
earlier.
ladies.
All right, so what does this one say? When you want to do this one first?
Yeah, that's fine. And what I think I'm gonna do is probably come out here another day and use those little garden stakes I got, because I don't know how well this paper is gonna hold up. But oh no.
So this needs dry soil. When the soil is, all right, so remove plant from sleeve and place in the same location on a shallow dish. Add water to the dish when the soil is dry. Snip leaves from the top as needed.
I guess it's for like in your house, huh?
Probably.
But
You want
we
to
can.
put it up in there? I'd like it. I'd like it. That wouldn't matter.
Yeah, I'm still gonna put it in
There.
here. Yeah,
Oh, wherever you want to put it.
put it right back over here. This mushroom compost. Oh. There you go. There you go. You got it. Okay. I think you got it. Don't crush it too much. Kind of. You can either angle it too. There we go. Good.
Yeah, good at this now.
Are you happy about your garden?
Grow my own potatoes.
We can go. I can plant a potato that we got and see what happens.
Oh, you have to germinate it. All right, so this
It
one needs
spuds on its own.
part shade 2 feet apart. I think this one could go right there.
For the spearmint?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Or what do you want to put that?
the rumor I heard about mint is that it likes to take over. So we gotta give it like a nice spot that it can. Oh yeah, I can go over there. It can just take over by itself, kind of in that area.
I need your expertise, ma'am.
Okay. What's that? The spearmint?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what else do we need? Container deep. Yeah.
Okay, so I take the spearmint out. There you go. You're trying to keep it.
Oh, turn it?
Yep. Smells great though. I can't wait till it grows like real big. I can make some tea. You smell that?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I don't know. Where do you want to put that?
Put it right there.
What else you want to put in there?
Well, I mean, we could add some seeds and see, but I got the lavender seeds inside, kind of soaking, and I have those chamomile seeds that I was gonna try indoors first and then transplant it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I think I'm gonna do first, is just transplant a lot of things. Huh?
We can make it like a line.
Oh, look, indention.
That's one row. And then we can have another row.
That's the rose.
Yeah.
I feel like you should have started it more right.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay, so he's actively making some rows, so bear with us. Okay, so we have all of my herbs in, oh my god, in my bell pepper plant planted.
Yeah.
And now we have some makeshift rows that we made. So when we, I guess, decide to plant some more things, it can go within the rows and
There's some walls that are showing.
everything's mapped out. So hopefully I will not hopefully, I will keep some updates of the bell pepper plant that I have, my rosemary, my thyme plant, and my spearmint. I'm really excited about the spearmint because I get to make some homemade spearmint tea. So that's a whole nother process in itself of drying out the tea leaves. So I'm excited to do that for the first time as well. Thanks to my helper.
Look good down there.
Thanks. We did good.
Farming 101.
You said farming 101. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching this video of me starting my herb garden. So hopefully I have some success compared to my vegetables that I tried beforehand, but I'm actively learning. So follow me on this journey. And if you have any tips, please leave them in the comments for me, because I'll take any of them, any help that I can get. But I'd like to thank you guys all for helping, and have a good day, okay? So thank you. This has been another episode of Garden of Positivity. Bye.
Welcome to the garden.
If you like fun with gardening and herbalism, click one of the videos below and subscribe for more content. Bye!